As a programmer myself, I often need to deal with files like Excel for data analysis, Word for document preparation, and PDF files for sharing finalized reports or proposals. Managing and working with these file formats is an essential part of many programming tasks, whether it's automating processes, extracting specific data, or generating new documents dynamically. For me, working with PDFs is where things got tough. Dealing with Excel is great and free, and Word does an excellent job at what it's designed for. But PDFs? Nah. Even though I scoured the internet for free and user-friendly options, I always ended up running into paywalls on those websites. So I quickly realized, if I really want to overcome these problems, I'll need to invest in a proper tool. I made up my mind and researched some popular PDF editors. That's when I came across Adobe Acrobat Pro. I immediately checked out its pricing plans and wow, that's expensive. Still, I thought, why not give the free trial a shot? I downloaded the trial version and voila, time to test this new app I just installed. I started by recreating some of my PDF version videos that I had shared for free with the community. After the trial period ended, I thought to myself, it's good, but can I really afford this type of software? While pondering this, I decided to research one more time to see if there was an alternative to Adobe Acrobat Pro, something with similar features but more affordable for my budget. That's when I came across PDFelement. I immediately checked its pricing plans and wow, I was shocked by the price. It's much more affordable than Adobe Acrobat Pro, but the question lingered. Does it truly perform as well or better? Without hesitation, I downloaded the trial version of PDFelement. When I opened it, I was instantly thrilled by the app's user interface. As a web developer, seeing a well-designed UI really excites me. Hats off to the developers of PDFelement for creating such a cool and modern design. So over the past month, I've been using PDFelement extensively. In this video, I'd like to share with you Novas how to master PDFelement for your daily document tasks. Whether it's reading programming docs, creating proposals for your company, or even editing PDFs with AI without breaking the bank. First, let's talk about the user interface. A user interface, or UI for short, is the space where interactions between humans and machines occur. It includes all the visual and interactive elements that allow users to communicate with a device, application, or website. This includes visual design, interactive design, and feedback elements like loading animations or error messages. PDFelement nails this. Unlike other software that feels sluggish or overly complicated, PDFelement keeps everything fast and simple. To create a PDF, simply click the Create PDF button, and it will present you with several options, like creating a PDF from files or even directly from an HTML source. Here's where it gets exciting. Reading documentation from websites can often feel overwhelming. For example, when I was learning Flutter back in the day, I used to copy the doc's content and paste it into ChatGPT to ask specific questions for better understanding. But with this feature in PDFelement, I was blown away. To try it, copy the URL of the website, click Create from HTML, and paste the URL. PDFelement will then convert the HTML content of the website into a PDF. And here's the game changer. You can use the built-in AI assistant in PDFelement to ask questions like, what are the key points of this document? Or can you summarize this section for me? When I first saw this, I was thrilled. Reading and understanding docs is now not only easier, but also much more engaging and fun. But that's not all. Once you've created a PDF, you can easily convert it into other formats, like Word for greater flexibility, or even PowerPoint presentations. This is perfect for setting up presentations directly from PDFs, images, or Excel files. The possibilities are endless. Now that you've learned how to create a PDF from HTML, let's explore how to create your own custom PDFs from scratch using PDFelement. To do this, click the Create Blank PDF option. You'll be given a blank page, which by default is set to a size of 21 by 29.7 centimeter. If you want to adjust the size, go to the Organize tab and click the Size button at the top. Here you can either choose from predefined sizes or input custom dimensions to fit your specific needs. Now, to create text, simply click the Add Text button. This will immediately activate the Properties section, where you can customize the font, text size, text color, and other settings. You can also add shapes like rectangles or have fun with connected lines, clouds, and more. But here's where things get exciting. For example, imagine you're a web developer working as a freelancer. You've landed a client and they want you to send them the project contract. You'll need to outline the project scope, deadlines, payment terms, and deliverables clearly in the contract. This ensures mutual understanding and sets the stage for a smooth workflow. However, you also need them to input their name and signature. Well, you can easily use form elements in PDFelement for this purpose. For instance, you can add text fields for their name or even an image field for their signature. You can configure these elements by adjusting their properties such as their name, appearance, and more. Of course, if you want to speed up your workflow, they also provide templates for common tasks like contracts or resumes. Or if you are working with a text image, you can use their advanced optical character recognition, OCR for short, which quickly converts text in a digital image into a readable text format. But that's not all. If your clients are from other countries and they send a contract in different languages, you can simply use the AI translation feature in PDFelement to quickly transform your foreign PDFs into your preferred language. There are so many features here I'd love to discover, like the built-in grammar checker, collaborations, and more. Well, that's been my experience over the past month with PDFelement. I can finally work with PDFs freely at an affordable cost while making the most of their AI chat features and more. For those of you novice who struggle with PDFs, I want you to experience this too. So I reached out to the Wondershare PDFelement team, and they responded. They've provided an exclusive discount for you to save on PDFelement. A big thank you to the PDFelement team for supporting our community. Well, that's it for now, Novas. Thank you for watching.